back to another episode of Trick Tip Tuesday. In today's episode, I'm going to show you all how to do a kickflip.
What is up, my dudes and dudettes? If your kickflips are trash and they look like this, but you really want your kicks to look as good as the man Jean-Claude Van Damme's, BOW! Then you better listen up. Let's get the ball rolling with the correct foot placement. You want to take that front foot of yours and put it just below the front bolts on a slight diagonal angle, and with your back foot you want to be up on the tail on your toes. Bend at the knees, pop and slide your front foot off the side of the board. Now the next part is the catch. You want to catch it with your back foot right over the bolts, and you want your front foot to follow. Now how you want to pop this trick is really similar to an ollie, but instead you want to pop and you want to slide your foot off the side of the nose. You want to have your feet in the kickflip position, you want to bend at the knees, pop, slide your front foot off the side of the board and catch it with your back foot. Doing any trick while standing still is a lot harder, so I'd suggest once you're comfortable enough, try doing the trick with a bit of momentum. Once you're real comfy with the trick, I'd suggest taking it off a curb or a small drop, or even down a set of stairs. I haven't kickflipped a set of stairs since I was like 16, so I was pretty rusty.
Round 1. Fight!
Yo, the crew just rolled up, some Carnes Hill boys. We're going to have a little session now, so make sure you drop a like, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.